Nek muwara make no le chan but the man you man medjan you azale you jome za efa ke me Rafael Akowe Chief Diakoje aka Mayor no no hwa ini kohugbe ni dunje ni kpudu ni ogbe ni joduma ni eku mekele no le chan ibuna le this challenge me wama or is very important ni hale chan mind their own roots. You might be your hwa because mahu a lot of people years 20 years 10 years wa mali he we gentle lolo we utuolo wa ma sekun or when wa ma sekun hozi and it's very mala unhio ishenya meno and I may use the organ wa made that advice he chan dodo ni Mario no or Mario no to no changa jemulo ni hele chama ebo kwa because Ekpon keno Ekpon ale free you can jump anytime you are happy you are honey in you la tolo you are your old friends you are home friend ke you ni who you lo or help you or encourage you or you mind say okay you are trying more ze look at you because we no hono le chan agba no lo hele chan agba no you agba no lo meliles also le me feriari because le you le ekmo ebono gahwa at least really giga ekmo or really gaga ekmo really holiga ekmo unwe masekmo land ya ekmo alikekmo ya you feed from and you aka be ho we shagbo you agba manekmo so o mashile rari because ma ari han le chan ibuna le once you saka wolo you ahun ihe ekun you ahun be roya be mistake or le ni hu human you ka help with one thing another you are more quick agba be oku onu self advice you can give or is very important and it will help or can help we okay yenu weka say okay beni mistake ozelu keme mistake ozelu keme when am gwale me when mega beni ho gwale me when mega beni we gwale me and yenu weka and you klaka lo dios who for years you go say ma ha akpo we through phone ahun WhatsApp you messing here the chan okay with them you jenya we so nya jekota ojenya ho onye jenta ojenya ho so you jen e ba ho we jenya ho ihe ho ye luko e se ba ho we nweko odudu onu you ke yeve okwo onu you ke dia advice ve se li he se me li he rade ihe ni we me le rade me he rade and okay yin no le chen ka because owo masses ni eno le chen no go jen we volo because Oscar ni ebiyu e won ma Oscar na agbo you ni idu you bini or Lagos you are le junlo you are le yin nwe weka is not you are le yin nwe weka la you e yin neka you must try ni we yin nwe weka because when you hu ko gbagba wa we who do we gbagba because wa kala junlo wa kala gunyo lo here we message ni work like an we yeka and here wa we popoko we mehu only ohumehu sini ihe we popo we ohwekun but wa kala junlo wa kala gwa ni lokmewo lo sili here we menu we eli hemu ohun awori we eli gbagba we work like ali for that igbagba we from years to years him advice hand the chan ma ru no le chan ale me oriyo me aru han le chan dodo enoku gbama with this challenge no ememe wanwa o challenge no me wanwa sin han le chan ga we nwe behwa and we neno ska nominate here onye you ma owu you are nominated sa okay you behwa beku suekun you understand suekun we ma hen ekun ka you isi no you must you are so machine you are so fear ale kikpe but ade you male so but when clinical po you see you are so lohmo ti you so ohmo ohun I encourage you need muma you dey my hekida so sa you got the even worker you even worker do no mario no because on how omeo alikano you understand ihe kunkedi mashi ame choko and then on kai di ma ya kai meka ka gongon kai iluke me the chance ma hono le chanu ne behwa unye le kukeka o melesi yukla masu yemele hu se ka suwa neno no ena gwa se yu male su ebe ni yu so ale kikpe because eno le chan choko yolo unweno okpo unweno okan unweno en weno choko no yolo neno ga hunwe yake o mashika neno le chan gba biolo neno le chan ga hun hu so weno hu gba me hu na gba ku gba ma o we very important dodo ni o mekaka dono mekaka go no onu le chan ka masho yare onu ke jen hwa o ebonu le chan yi onu ke jen hwa o machine onwele kwesu onwele jomo kaka kedo nozo ana ekmu chinjele onwele jomo kaka kwedo nozo ebona ile yi mashi we ka hu no mashi we ka hu no